So there you go. These are the styling. But actually, uh, you can do your own styling. Actually, you can do your own styling so that, example, my point. If we open my point, if you see, if you see here, the symbology of your my point. If you look at here, the size of your here is 2 millimeters. If that is enough for you, then be it. But I like a lighter color, and I will remove the outline. So I'll remove the outline, make it transparent, and this one I can also do it a little like a lighter color, like maybe I'll select it from here, check that one. It's okay. So that will be the symbology for my point. And then I put some labels. So labels, I say single label, and then instead of just selecting from this, I'll do this one, select this one, and then from here I'll pick up what labels do I need. So I'll delete this one first. So this is a point layer. I go to fields and values. I think we need what? The type of the asset. That's one. And we provide a space. So this is what you call the spacer. And then type these symbols on your computer. And then a spacer again. And then what? Like we can add the condition. Okay. So these are not null items. So the collector have to provide them information. So these labels will be provided. Okay, and then let's format the labels. Let's do it for like Calibri here. Bold. Calibri. That's my favorite font. Calibri, bold. And then let's use millimeters. And then instead of 10, let's have it the same as the size as the municipality. So it's around 2.5 millimeters. And then let's put some buffer on it, 0.3 millimeters. Okay, it looks small, but on your smart device, it's big enough. Okay, again, that leveling that we did per point, we can copy that again later on this one and that one. Okay, so how do we do that? Style, copy style, just the labels. Then here, paste style, label, and then polygon, style, paste style, labels. Okay, so let's go to my line. Again, my line, we can have this also type and condition, but if you want to add more, like we want to add more the length, but we want it on another line. So if you want it on another line, add spacer, and then this one, this is a new line, and then spacer again, and then select from the fields and values, select there the length. I think length. Okay, that one, length. Click OK. So it has the same symbology as you can see, the same symbology and same labeling as the point layer, not symbology. Click OK. And then let's go to, by the way, let's go back to my line. I think the symbology here is like we can change this to a more a color that you can easily recognize. Let's change that to something like golden yellow. Okay, that's it. I think that's okay, because the size of that one will be 0.26 millimeters on your smartphone or your handheld device. Okay, now let's go to my poly. My poly, again, we can change again this symbol. Let's do away. No, let's change this into something golden also. And the size of the stroke for this one is also 0.26 milliliter. But the fill, this one, the fill will change it to something lighter, like this one. And then we'll change the transparency by, so that we can see what's underneath, to something like Yeah, 30. You can type it here also, 30. And then go to symbology. It's the same symbology, but again, then here we add the area. Okay, spacer, new line, spacer, and then fields and values, and then click the area. That's okay. I think we're good. Okay. Okay. This join, we don't need this, so we'll have to remove this one. So I think we now have everything you need for creating a QField package for your smartphone.